Calculate the volume in milliliters of a 10 molar hydrochloric acid stock solution required to make 250 milliliters of 1 molar HCl. And it says round to 1 decimal place. So this is a classic lab scenario. You have a concentrated stock solution and you need to figure out how much of it to use to make a larger, more diluted batch. So think of like making orange juice from concentrate. You have the strong stuff and you need to know exactly how much to pour into the pitcher before adding water to reach that goal. So our first step is going to be to figure out what formula we need. And for this, we need the dilution formula. So that's going to be M1V1 equals M2V2. So M is going to stand for molarity. V is for volume. And the one side is the concentrated. And the 2 is going to be the final diluted version that we're looking for. So step 2 is going to be to identify our variables from this problem. So we have M1, which is our stock solution or our stock molarity. And that is going to be equal to 10 moles. V1 is going to be our stock volume, and this is our unknown. So we'll leave this as a question mark. This is what we need to find. M2 is our final molarity. Let me delete that. And so that's going to be 1 mole. And V2, that's our final volume. And that's going to be 250 milliliters. So step 3 is just going to be to rearrange our formula and solve it. So we want to isolate V1, which is the volume stock. And to do that, we're going to divide both sides by M1. So we would get V1 is equal to M2 times V2 over M1. So now we just plug in our numbers. So we're still looking for V1. So we've got 1 molar times 250 milliliters, all divided by 10. So mathematically, 1 times 250 stays 250, and then we divide by 10. So 250 divided by 10 is equal to 25. And so the step 4, which is going to be to get to our final answer, and it asks us to round to 1 decimal place. So our final answer is going to be 25.0 ml. So in the lab, you would measure out exactly 25 10 molar, hydrochloric acid solution. You would put it into a flask, and then you would add water until the volume reaches 250 milliliters. All right, so that is how to solve this problem, and stay tuned for the next video.